Your site crashing or loading slow? Shared hosting can choke your site's performance and cost you traffic and revenue. That's where VPS hosting comes in. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 VPS providers that offer speed, reliability, and great value for scaling your website or project. Whether you're a developer or a business owner, this list will help you upgrade with confidence. So, without any delay, let's get started. Hostinger is like having a smart helper that runs your website for you. It watches speed, fixes problems, and keeps everything safe without you lifting a finger. Your site loads super fast, stays online 99.9% of the time, and has automatic weekly backups so you never lose work. It's super secure with built-in protection against hackers, and you can grow your site anytime without stress. Customer service is 24/7 friendly chat. Real people or AI always ready to help. Perfect for blogs, shops, or small businesses. Starts at just $4.99 per month with tons of power and unlimited visitors. This Black Friday, you get 80% off plus a free domain name. Pay $4.99 per month for 4 years. Over 4 million happy users prove it's safe, powerful, and beginner-friendly. The best all-around pick for most people. Click link from description to get extra 20% discount and save more. Liquid Web is like hiring a full-time IT team. They manage everything, so your site is always fast, safe, and online 99.99% of the time, with a money-back promise if not. No crashes during busy sales, unlimited visitors coming in, and top-level security that blocks hackers before they start. You can add more power with one click, and they move your old site for free. Support answers in under 1 minute, day or night, by phone or chat. Real humans who care. Great for online stores or busy sites. Starts at $5 per month with strong power. This Black Friday, you save 77%. Get a powerful plan for just $8.50 per month the first 3 months. Used by big companies like NASA partners, it's the safest, most reliable choice if your business is growing fast and can't afford downtime. Ionos gives you real business power for pocket change. Your site stays online 99.99%, handles unlimited visitors, and loads fast with no extra fees. It's super secure with hacker shields and automatic safety checks. You control everything easily, and support gives you a personal helper 24/7 by phone or chat. Perfect for startups or side hustles. Starts at just $2 per month. Yes, really. This Black Friday, you save 85% the first 3 months. A full-powered plan is only $8.85 per month. Runs on 100% green energy, so you help the planet too. It's safe, fast, and the cheapest way to get pro-level hosting without stress. Ideal if you're just starting out. InMotion is made for businesses ready to grow big. Your site handles unlimited visitors, stays online 99.99%, and loads 20 times faster than cheap hosting. It comes with strong security, automatic backups, and free help moving your site. Add more power anytime as sales increase. Support is US-based, super friendly, and answers in 2 minutes 24/7. Great for shops or blogs turning pro. Starts at $14.99 per month intro with lots of power. This Black Friday, you get 81% off, 6 full months for just $17.99 total. Trusted by Forbes and used by sites with 500,000 visitors, it's safe, powerful, and built to scale. Pick this if your business is taking off. DigitalOcean is like Lego for your website. You only pay for what you need, and it grows with you. Your site is fast, private, and safe, with no sharing slowdowns. It's super secure and easy to add power. Support has tons of simple guides, and new users get help to start. Best for bloggers or shop owners who like a little control. starts at $4 per month with good power. This Black Friday, you get $200 free credit for 60 days. That's months of free hosting to test and grow. Plus 25% off stronger plans. It's safe, cheap, and flexible. Perfect if you want to save money and learn as you go.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!